Hi, I'm Raghavendra, Numerology and Vastu coach. Today we'll discuss about Lo Shu Grid. It is an ancient tool which is used in the field of numerology since ages. It's 3 into 3 grid which contain 9 squares. All the numericals which are present in our date of birth along with the destiny number and Koa number, we'll arrange these numbers in the 9 squares of the Lo Shu Grid. In the previous video, we have discussed clearly about how to calculate destiny number and Koa number. So let's take an example and arrange all the numbers along with the destiny number and Koa number in the Loshu grid. Date of birth of a person is 4/7/1993. Loshu grid is nothing but 3 into 3 grid which contain 9 squares. See, normally the Loshu grid numbers are arranged like this: 4, 9, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 6. So the numbers which are present in the date of birth along with the destiny number and Koa number will be arranged in this Loshu grid. So we'll take another 9 into 9 square box. The total of date of birth is nothing but destiny number. Destiny number is 33. That is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So initially we'll enter the date of birth. 4, 7, 1, 9, 9, 3. And the Koa number is, destiny number is 6. Whereas the Koa number is calculated by the year of birth. If we add total of the year of birth and sum it to 4. Year of birth plus 4 is nothing but Koa number. In the previous video, we have discussed in detail. So please go through that video.